Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'll be unboxing the Chronos gaming PC from Skytech Gaming. This is not my first PC from Skytech Gaming. I like their products, however, this is not a sponsored video. Stick around and I'll give you all the information about the PC and why I bought it. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on all notifications and leave a comment so I can know what you guys think about this PC. Without further ado, let's go. The reason why I bought this PC because while I was doing my 3D rendering and video editing, the programs kept crashing. Even after doing minor updates, I still couldn't get the problem to stop, so I decided I was going to change my PC to get something a lot faster. So I got this PC that comes with the Ryzen 7 3700 and the RTX 3070, 16 gigs of RAM, running at 3200 megahertz, DDR4. So let's look what comes in this box. First thing here, it looks like we have a keyboard. I already have two of these, but let's see. Okay, Skytech. Let's put that over there. Probably there's a mouse in here somewhere, but I'm seeing some paperwork here as well. Let's put that over there. Now let's see how I get this out the box. Where is up and where is down? That's what we need to figure out. Don't want to pull the box and then everything falls out. Alright, let's put it on the side. Gently try to slide it out. Okay, here we go. Let's move everything from here. Okay, let's move this over as well. Let's reveal what we have here. And guys, by the way, I'm going to be releasing a review of the product after I've used it for a few months. There should be a piece of foam inside. So let's get in and see. We have to take everything out. A lot of persons forget to do this part. Plug your computer up and start it, then you'll have a lot of problems. Let's see here. Hopefully this is how it comes out, but I'm not getting it out any other way. Okay, there we go. Put that over there. Always remember to take this piece out when you buy a custom made PC. You never know what is in there. And I think this is the mouse. Yep, there we go. But here it is, guys. Have a good look and look out for that review coming soon about the performance of this PC. Here also is the antenna for the Wi-Fi. Here that goes, which will be installed right here. Let's put this back together. Plug it up and get it started. Let's take this off. And there we go. Let me put this front grill back in. This is neat. Has some patterns on it. Let's hope I'm not putting this in wrong. Okay, here we go. Just go down there and this latches in right there.